Hey fam, this your man Matt DV. Today we had some delicious coconut shrimp, went for a swim, had some serious issues with audio, so this is what we came up with. Thanks for stopping by. Alright y'all, this is what it is. I'm getting in the water. It's really breezy out here, but the weather's feel like it's about 76, so it feels nice. And I think I'm about to get in the water, man. That's what I'm gonna do. Yo, man, we're going in the water. We got the coconut shrimp there, y'all, with the fries. It's looking good. It's nice. What's that sauce? That's a Bahamian sauce right there, y'all. What's going on, fam? It's your man Matt DV. We are here in the Bahamas on the beach, man. And I just went to Jack Sparrow, the food shack over there. And we are out here, man. We are in Freeport, Bahamas, man. Check this out. Check this out. Look at this. Look at this. I got the coconut shrimp. Coconut shrimp. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, I cheated, right? Because my cousin Rhonda told me that it was delicious. So I said I'm gonna get some coconut shrimp. I was gonna get some grouper at a suggestion of one of our subscribers, but I went with the coconut shrimp. It's very windy out here. I'm getting in these French fries first. I'll put some ketchup on them, man, hot sauce. I just came out of the ocean, y'all, and the water is beautiful. I got the Bahamian sauce right here. I'm gonna try to sit down. This chair is really low. Let's see what I can do here. Let's see if I can just sit down here. How's that? It looks weird, right? Look, I gotta stand up, y'all. We're gonna dip this coconut shrimp in the Bahamian sauce. I start saying, let me taste it as it is first. That's a nice hefty side shrimp, y'all. This was about, I think it was like 17 and some change. I taste that sauce, delicious shrimp. It tastes like wild caught shrimp. And you taste the sweetness of that coconut, man. And that fried delicious goodness. Look in there. The wind ain't no joke, y'all. I hope it don't blow my gimbal over. I was gonna try it without the sauce, but the sauce was so good, we gotta keep at it. That coconut is so crispy and sweet. I'm going with the sauce, man, because it tastes so delicious. I don't even want to know how it tastes without the sauce. No. Hold up. That's the bottom piece. That's all shell right there. But I just want to bite it, man, because that shrimp, that fried shrimp, not fried shrimp, but the fried coconut on there too. All right. It's a winner. I feel like I would be wasting this. Even though I could throw away that shell, I feel like I would be wasting this without eating that coconut. Wow. I like that. This one here, right, is a little bit smaller, but still looks delicious nonetheless. Let's go in and check it out. I can't dip it in there, y'all. I got that sauce on there. Look, put that Bahamian sauce on that coconut shrimp. See, I bit that big piece of shrimp off. It's delicious, man. I got some on my lip right there. This is really delicious. I didn't get nothing to drink. I'm very thirsty right now. I need to sit down proper. We're here again in the Bahamas. This is your man Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. Love you, cats. I'm here eating the whole shell. Time to go back into some fries. I'm just gonna savor the moment with this shrimp for a second, but we're going back in these fries. I like these little skinny fries. This one has the hot sauce on it. I told you I'll put ketchup on this side and a little hot sauce. That hot sauce is good. Oh, wow. That's hot sauce on those fries. Delicious. It is some windy out here today. All right. I don't know how many shrimp I ate. I think I ate 2. If I did eat 2, there was 5 total. Now I have like this tartar sauce stuff. I'm not a big tartar sauce lover. Let me taste it. Let me use my Carolina fork. Yeah, that's tartar sauce. Yeah. I don't want that on my shrimp. I want the Bahamian sauce. I hope the audio's coming through good right now because it's windy. Hold on. Let me just take the tail off first. Hold on. Oh, look how big that shrimp was in there, y'all. I don't know what to do now. I'm stuck. I'm gonna dip the little popcorn, not popcorn. I'm gonna dip the coconut piece in there. They have mastered the coconut shrimp batter. That's good, y'all. All right, y'all, it's windy. I'm about to end the video here. I'm gonna finish eating, of course. And I'll see y'all. I don't know where we're going next. I don't know if it'll be here for another couple days or stateside. But this is your man, Matt DV.